KHC27. Yep, so down there we go. That's a pretty large SVR. Dang.
4:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms are located along a line extending from 12 miles northwest of Lawrence to 10 miles southeast of Anderson, York, moving at 65 miles per hour in northern Union counties through 4:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Source 3:44 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Impact. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lawrence, Union, Clinton, Pontiac Path, Monarch Mill, Joanna, Buffalo, Gray Court, Carlisle, and Roseville State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling include Spartanburg, Catholic 7801, or by posting on our Facebook page, or using hashtag WSGSP outdoors. Consider taking shelter inside a building. Specific location where it occurred. The current time is 4:01. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Abbeville, Anderson, Chester, North Carolina, operating on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz.
How about it, GSP?